Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more Gulag Duels in COD Warzone Mobile. To do that, choose the right approach. When you first enter the Gulag, assess your loadout. Different weapons have varying effectiveness. Adjust your playstyle accordingly. Shotguns favor close quarters combat, while pistols require more strategic shots. Prioritize picking up the best weapons available in the game to increase your chances of success. Don't stay still. Move constantly, strafing from side to side. Utilize the environment. There are plenty of obstacles and cover spots in the Gulag. Use them to avoid getting hit. Communicate with teammates. If you have a teammate watching from sidelines, call out informations. Share your opponent's location, their weapon, and any relevant details. If playing solo, use the in-game ping system to mark your opponent's position. Winning in the Gulag is as much as about mental fortitude as skill. Learn from losses. Adapt your strategies and maintain confidence. Remember, it's just a game. Have fun with it. And that's how to win more Gulag Duels in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.